Hey there, today we're going to be looking at the MyCarbon i7 True Wireless Earbuds. So let's get started. Jumping right in, we'll take a look at what's inside the box. First thing you'll see is the charging case with the earbuds inside, a micro B USB charging cable, and some ear tips of various sizes. Pretty standard here. Now let's take a closer look at the case. The design of the charging case is nothing special, just a rounded box. But it's functional, so it's alright, I guess. The material is plastic, and sadly, it's very shiny and slightly brittle feeling. Should handle being in your pocket, but probably would crack falling onto pavement. As for the case size, it is a little big for my pocket, but it's this size because there is a built-in battery to charge your earbuds even when you're not connected to a power outlet. So that's pretty useful and actually kinda needed, but we'll get into that later. The case is not perfect though. There are some stuff that annoys me. First, the LED indicator lights. Why the heck are they on the inside? It should be on the outside so that you can quickly glance at it and see if it's charging or not. Right now, you have to open it up every single time just to check. Just doesn't make any sense to me. The next annoying thing is the fact that it doesn't auto-charge your earbuds when you drop them in. You have to press a button to get it to start charging. People are going to forget to press the button and they won't have charged earbuds to use the next time. That's just, well, annoying once again. In the same vein of things, it doesn't have auto turn on when you take out the earbuds. You'll need to turn them both on manually. Once again, a bit inconvenient and a bit annoying. And finally, the last annoying thing is something that I truly don't understand. In the case, the left earbud is placed on the right side, while the right earbud is placed on the left side. Like, why? Why is it like that? I just don't get it. Anyways, that's it about the case. Let's move on to the earbuds. Let's start with the build. Once again, it is made of shiny plastic, but unlike the case, maybe due to its tiny size, it seems more durable. It's also very light, so not an issue sitting in your ears. The earbuds each have a touch button, which I'm actually split about because it works on one hand without you pressing so hard that you have to push the earbuds into your ear, but it's also a bit finicky. So I guess it has its ups and downs. Despite that, the touch button does give you some useful functions. This includes answer and end calls, voice assistant, play pause, and next track. There's no previous track or volume control as far as I can tell. Also, you could use the right ear by itself without the left, but not the other way around. The earbuds also have two small features that I really appreciate. One, whenever you resume your music after pausing it for longer than a few seconds, it will fade back in from low volume instead of abruptly resuming your songs at your previous level. It's a super small thing, but it makes the experience very nice. The second thing is actually the wireless Bluetooth connection. It is solid. Never had it drop out or anything. It's just really good. As for the battery, I got about 3 hours straight of low volume music playback. Not as long as I like, but they are tiny, so I didn't expect too much. This is also why the case has built-in battery, to let you charge it on the go so you don't run out. What's also worth noting relating to battery is that when it gives you low battery warning, it really means it. The earbuds die within 1 to 2 minutes of the initial warning. And as for charge time, it takes about an hour to fully charge. Would definitely have liked to see 30 minutes or less considering how small they are. Now let's move on to sound quality. Maybe it's because I'm used to my more expensive headphones, because unfortunately, it's barely passable even after EQ adjustment. Straight out of the box, it is frankly bad. Clarity isn't there, highs and bass aren't present either, and most sounds are just blended together. Overall, it's just muddy sounding straight out of the box. With a bit of EQ adjustment though, you can bring back some clarity highs and lows, but only enough to just be passable. So basically, still not very good in terms of sound quality. Though it does have better soundstage than I expected, but that alone can't balance out its other downfalls in terms of sound quality. Another thing to note is that on the lowest volume settings, which is the volume level on your device since the earbuds themselves don't have volume control, is not that quiet. So if you have sensitive ears, the lowest volume setting could actually be too loud in some situations. This is of course also dependent on your music files, since they could also be mixed to different levels. But either way, I think it's worth noting. So that's it, right? The sound quality is what I dislike the most about these earbuds? Well, no. While I am definitely not that impressed with the sound quality, The thing that I dislike the most is actually the fit. Maybe it's just my ears, but despite it fitting very snugly, these earbuds are actually quite painful for me to wear, even for a short while. So even if the earbuds did sound good, I personally still wouldn't use them, simply because it hurts to use them. Of course, your ears are different from mine, so your mileage may vary. And finally, the price and conclusion. At around $60 Canadian, the MyCarbon i7 is definitely one of the more affordable pairs of true wireless earbuds. But can I recommend them? Probably not. While it does have some positive things, it is just so uncomfortable for my ears that I wouldn't use them. And even if the fit was fine, the sound quality didn't impress me either. The price does sort of make up for a shortcoming, so maybe for some people is just acceptable, but for me, just the pain on my ears is enough to make me not want to use it. If you liked the video, consider leaving a thumbs up. If you want more, consider subscribing if you haven't. And if you have anything else to say, leave in the comments below. Now see you guys in the next video.